Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hey, we are gonna do the Club Couture today. I got it in, so we're gonna get this done and show you guys what it's all about for the month of, is it September? So as you're joining, say hello, tell me where you're from. And I wanna make sure that I'm actually on my page, so hopefully I am. Yes, it does show that I am, so perfect. So as you guys know, or if you're new, each month we have a DIY craft kit that you guys can be a member of. And it just comes in the package once a month with 3 paste packets. And, oh, sorry, let me get my scissors here. It allows you to create a little fun DIY each month. So this month is fall, so we're gonna fall blessings, and then it has the blessings in the cursive, and then the fall in the big letters, and then just little accents. So we're just gonna do it on one of our chalkboards today, and see what we think of it. I already love it because it's de-stress, and if you know me, I love distressed things. So we're just gonna get this cut out here so we can kind of make it our own little style. But there's so many different things you can do with it. You can leave it as is, which is what we're gonna do today, or you can cut out the letters and actually do it, let's see, I guess that would be, is that horizontal or vertically? I don't know. But anyway, you're gonna see some different ideas that you can use it with. So let's just start here, and let's see, I have my what we're first going to do. Hey guys, what we're first going to do is this is our chalkboard, and when we put on the paste, guys, it comes on, it goes on wet but dries hard, and it's semi-permanent. So unlike like old school chalk, if it was old school chalk, it would smudge as soon as you touched it, right? And you'd be mad because you just spent some hours doing it. And if it was chalk paint, then it would be permanent, and we couldn't, you know, mix it up as easy. But with the chalk paste, you just get it wet, and you can see it does take a little bit of elbow grease, I guess, to get it kind of going, to get it off. But we also have a scraper that I'm just going to use. But if you don't have the scraper, guys, just keep messing with it until you get off. So we're going to take off this paste, and everything you see here, guys, you can get on my online shop. So I'll give you the link later once I'm done here. But so it just makes it really easy to change out your decor with our chalk paste and all our different designs. We have an array of different designs that you can use. So let me get this off here so we can get our project started today. So it's September, and the temperature are actually dropping today. I think they've been like in the 80s, like mid to low 80s. So I don't know what the weather's like at your place. If you on and you want to tell me about it, I'd love to hear. Let's see. Let me get this going. Some more paste, but I like to kind of start off when we do our Club Couture, is to kind of start off for you newbies, to kind of show you how the products work. And so just gonna get this cleaned off, and then we'll start with the actual project. Okay, get that off, and we'll start here. So this is just a fuzzing cloth. So our transfers are sticky. So you're just going to get them off, take it off the backer sheet there, and these are reusable up to a dozen times. So once you you know, you can make a project on the chalkboards or wood or canvas, just about any surface that you want. And then we're gonna put this on here, and this is what we refer, it looks like a stencil, but it's actually called a silk screen because it's kind of like a silk screen printed t-shirt. So that's how we get that really nice design, really quick, really fast, and don't have to worry about it's smudging and all that good stuff. So once you get on there, just kind of get the air bubbles out, and then we're just going to put our chalk paste down. And this is the same thing that I just wiped off with the water earlier, and just going to put it on there. So you know, if you're kind of like me, you're not very, you don't have to be very precise with this project, which is what I like. You can just have fun, design, create, and then repeat. So that's kind of the fun about it, is that you're not stuck with it. You know, you kind of get to experiment and do different colors. We have about 30 different different colors you can choose from to go with any decor, which we have some awesome, really awesome fall colors right now, like in the yellows and the rust and the navies, which are really hot right now, really trending. So once you get on there, really you just need to worry about where the design is actually at. Take off any excess with your squeegee, okay? And then we're just gonna pull it up. So let me get over here, and so you can kind of see it, hopefully. And when I pull it off, ta-da! This is my favorite part, the reveal, because it actually comes out nice, right? So you don't really have to do anything. I love the detail in this one. It's already distressed. Can you see that? It's already distressed, so you don't have to, you know, worry about the distressing part of it. So some of our designs come out distressed, and some of them are regular. So you just kind of have to look for it. Or anytime, if you have questions, you can always ask me. I'm just gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna dry this real quick. It doesn't take long to dry. Really, you could just let it dry naturally or with your hair dryer. But since I'm doing a live, I kind of like, I don't want you to watch my face dry. I don't think that's why you're here. So. And it doesn't take long to dry at all. So just give me just a second. And like I said, guys, this is our, for the month of September, this is our club kit. So you guys can purchase this month only, and it gets shipped right to your door. So you don't have to get out and put your mask on or anything. It gets shipped right to your door. Let's see what this white on white looks like. I almost kind of want a different color. Hold on. Gold. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's do this grayish. It's just a. This is Storm, actually. Okay. Now let's do this one. And if it's just a little dry, you want it to be like a yogurt-like consistency. But if it's a little dry, guys, just put it a little bit of water in and mix it up. So put a little bit more water in. And then we'll put the little detail on and see what we think of it. But I think this little project is really cute for the month of September. And we never know, it's always kind of like a mystery box, kind of like a little surprise, little happy mail that gets delivered to our mailboxes. And let's see, get this on here, and then I'm just gonna take up the excess so you know you can use it for your next project. And when you order the Happy Mail, it comes with 3 paste packets. Three would be the right one. So you can you know, mix and match your colors, do an ombre style. You know, make each one a different, each letter a different color. Let me bring this up here for you so we can see that. So blessings. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So give me some hearts, guys, if you're liking it, if you like the new product. And we actually have, we actually released our Christmas this today. We actually dropped about 30, I think it was about 30 different products, from different designs to cutouts. We have like little, oh, they're little reindeer cutouts. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, really adorable. And then of course we have everything from vintage to whimsical designs for our Christmassy designs. So this is really cute. So I'm just gonna kind of put, let me dry this real quick. Put this in white. And guys, I'll leave a link so you guys can go check out this little design and kind of just learn more about what we have to offer. And put this here. There. I always just think this is like a fun one to do with the kiddos. I mean, you can't mess it up. So if they, you know, if you don't like it, you just wipe it off and start over. And, you know, you don't have to worry about, you know, coming up with something you don't like, because you just wipe it off and go. So let's put this here. Oh, let me dry it. One more, and then I'm done for the day. But yes, you will have to go check out our Christmas stuff, because our Christmas designs are pretty fabulous. I mean, there were some little cute ones. There's one that's just a Santa head that I want to make like a Santa bag out of. That's really cute, really cute. And then of course, like I said, the really cute reindeer that are wood cutouts that have like a little design that goes with them. Super cute. But we are, I'll be posting some more pictures and stuff later today. And if you have questions, guys, you can always just reach out to me in a comment or direct message. I'll get back to you. Okay, let's take this one off. Let me show you here. Let's see, can you see? There we go. And there we go. And that's it, guys. How cute is that? So, and this would be really cute done in your fall colors, or colors for that match your house. So, you know, you get to pick and choose the different colors that you want, but I think this is really classy, and you kind of put it, you can hang it, or you could just kind of do it as a self setter, and put your little decorations in front of it. Put it on a piece of wood and put it outside, or even a canvas would look really cute. So guys, I will take this now to my sink and wash it up, okay? And once it's I got all the paste off of it, I'll leave it with the sticky side up and let it dry. And once it's dry, I'll just put it back on this backer sheet, the white backer sheet, with the sticky side and the shiny side together. And I can use this up to 12 different times. And most of the time, if you take care of them, you'll get more than 12 uses out of them. So that is that. And that's it, girls. I just wanted to get on and show you our craft kit for the month, our DIY craft kit for the month. And I'll post a link, and you got to go check out our Christmas stuff. Our Christmas designs are so cute, especially if you're a little elf and you like to really make things for your holidays, for your family, for the holidays. It's really, really cute. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me. And if you have questions, put them in the comments. Tell me hello, give me some hearts. Let me know that you enjoyed this live, so I know to bring more of the same stuff. I'll hopefully be doing more fall stuff to kind of get you guys in the mood for a little fall decor. And have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.